Hello, my name is Peter Steinberg, and I am the Program Manager for Healthy Minds Fairfax. Healthy Minds Fairfax is a county initiative to increase access to quality behavioral health services to youth and their families living in the County of Fairfax and the cities of Falls Church and Fairfax. We are looking for a Management Analyst 3 whose main function will be to manage a short-term behavioral health outpatient service for low and moderate income youth with emerging behavioral health issues. While the services are free to families, they are provided by private providers who contract with Fairfax County. This person will oversee the referral process, work closely with stakeholders, and collect and analyze data. Other duties including being part of work groups and committees that focuses on improving behavioral health youth services. We are looking for someone who has strong organizational skills and data analysis experience and has knowledge in policies and programs that focus on children's behavioral health issues. We hope you consider applying for this position.
Hello everyone, my name is Desiree Gordon and I'm here to talk with you about the Short-Term Behavioral Health Service for Youth, otherwise known as STBH. STBH is a program that provides free mental health services to Fairfax County and Falls Church City youth. The program is fully funded through the Healthy Minds Fairfax budget. Students referred to the program are eligible to receive 8 free counseling sessions that are provided by licensed or license-eligible providers in the community. All of our providers are fully vetted and have to meet certain criteria in order to become an STBH provider. The STBH program has grown substantially since its inception in January 2016, when we received just 33 referrals, to having received over 300 referrals this past school year. Appropriate referrals to STBH include students displaying mild to moderate behavioral health concerns and would benefit from a short intervention. STBH referrals are accepted from school social workers, psychologists, or counselors, and the Community Services Board. Now a bit about the position's responsibilities. This position is the main point of contact for all matters related to STBH. 80 to 85% of this position's responsibilities revolve around STBH. In this position, you will be responsible for training and educating all referral sources and the network of providers about the program on how to make and receive appropriate referrals and complete the referral paperwork. The new candidate will develop, collect, and maintain the necessary paperwork and tools to ensure that the program continues to function in an efficient and successful manner. This position requires collection and processing provider invoices and to work closely with the county's finance department to ensure timely reimbursement for services. Advanced skills in Excel to collect data and generate and organize reports is also a necessity. The candidate will work closely with county and community partners on work groups and committees on various projects that are relevant to the work being done with Healthy Minds Fairfax. Please click on the link if you are interested in applying for this position or would like more details. We look forward to hearing from you.